published June 23, 2022. DoD is proposing to amend the Defense Federal Acquisition Regulation Supplement to implement a section of the National Defense Authorization Act for fiscal year 2021 that prohibits the award of any DoD contracts to an entity that requires its employees to sign internal confidentiality agreements or statements that would prohibit or otherwise restrict its employees from lawfully reporting waste, fraud, or abuse related to the performance of a DoD contract to a designated investigative or law enforcement representative of DoD authorized to receive such information. Comments on the proposed rule should be submitted in writing to the address shown below on or before August 22, 2022, to be considered in the formation of the final rule. The objective of the rule is to implement the DoD-specific statute that removes restrictions on the ability of employees to report waste, fraud, or abuse to the appropriate DoD authorities. The legal basis of the rule is Section 883 of the NDAA for FY 2021. This rule will apply to all small entities that are eligible to receive DoD contracts. However, the requirements of Section 883 are already met through the government-wide implementation of a previously published prohibition at FAR 3.909 and in the System for Award Management (SAM) representations and certifications. As a result, the 361,000 unique small entities registered in SAM as of January 12, 2021, are already compliant with these requirements and will not be required to take any additional action to comply with the DoD-specific prohibition in Section 883. The rule does not impose any new reporting, record-keeping, or compliance requirements. The rule does not duplicate, overlap, or conflict with any other federal rules. There are no practical alternatives that will accomplish the objectives of the statute. DoD invites comments from small business concerns and other interested parties on the expected impact of this rule on small entities. DoD will also consider comments from small entities concerning the existing regulations and subparts affected by the rule in accordance with 5 U.S.C. 610. Interested parties must submit such comments separately and should cite 5 U.S.C. 610, FARS Case 2021 D018, in correspondence.